Hello, data analyst and data people. This video talks about offset function of Excel. What are the uses and real-time examples how to use in data analysis. Okay, offset function will gives us dynamically arithmetic operations. It facilitates that we can calculate the arithmetic operations like sum, averages dynamically. First of example is moving average for moving averages. In stock markets, SMA, that means simple moving average, is a one type of technical indicator. By seeing, observing simple moving average for 50 days, traders may go towards buying option or selling option. So, such type of dynamically average we can do by using offset function. Okay, so before going to start, so we will see what is moving average for 7 days. Okay, first 7 days, last 7 days moving average means the total average for last 7 days. Okay, and for example, if we add 11th day here, it will delete the first day and it will add the last day in that 7 days. Then automatically we will get the dynamically average for last 7 days. So now we will see what is offset. First of all, how offset function works. Okay, type offset. Offset is like command syntax in the Excel. Okay, now we will type offset. uh, Offset function gives it will take input like reference, some rows and columns. Okay, reference. Okay, reference means the reference point. What is the starting point? Okay, I took a1. Then rows, the it means the number of rows from the offset. How many number of rows you are offsetting from the reference from starting point? Like here I am offsetting up to five rows. Yes, yes, five columns. Here based on columns, yeah, see here 0 means I am offsetting zero columns, so that's why I got 5 here. That means from reference point start day I gave offsetted 5 rows. If I gave 1, it will give 756. That means I offsetting from for one column from the reference point, so that's why I got 756 here. Okay, so this is how offset function works. Okay, now we will calculate moving average for last 7 days. So this is earlier we discussed moving averages is a one type of very technical indicator in stock market. And in data analysis also, some clients will ask for last 30 days sales always dynamically I want to see. Dynamically I want to see moving average sales for last 30 days. Like that they will ask sometimes. So then offset function will facilitate such type of opportunity. So here, yeah, average offset. Here I want to calculate for last 7 days average. So here up to 4, right? So to do that, we have to first count the non-empty cells. Okay, first now we will give reference. Yeah, that is my reference cell. Okay, now we have to count the non-empty cells. For that, we have to use count a function. Count a function counts the non-empty cells in the column or within the given range. Count a of, say count the number of cells in range that are not empty. Okay, count a of, yeah, that b column, like as b range. Okay, so it will count up to the, say that 11th column. Okay, and I want to calculate for last 7 days, right? So from that I will minus 7. That means I will subtract 7 rows. Say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to fourth row. So now I will subtract 7. Okay, so that means now that command indicates that fourth row is that indicating. Okay, column 0, same column I want to calculate, and height means from selected row onwards, height means number of rows. That means my height is 7. Yes, now I got average. See here, 7 height means 7 means it will calculate the average for 7 rows. And 1 means that is column width. Okay, say for last 7 days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 4. From 4 onwards up to 7 rows it will count the average. Okay, now this is uh, dynamic also, so we will see how it will dynamic coming future. Now okay, yeah, okay, now we will see sales for last 7 days also, same like average what we did now. For same, for sales also we will do sum for last 7 days. Okay, now mm, okay, now same formula we will apply here. Okay, okay, sum of sales for last 7 days, sum of sales for last 7 days. Okay, here sum of, here we will take offset function reference, here I am giving sales. No, or else we can give, yeah, day, day as a reference. Okay, rows, count of non-blank rows in the A column, in the A range, or else we can say I want to calculate sum for last 7 days. Okay, here column means I have to give one when I am offsetting one column from the reference value. That means sales column I have to calculate. That's why I have to give. But if you give 0 it will only calculate only days column. So but here it is sales. Okay, and height we have to give 7 because from the selected row onwards we have to calculate sum for 7 days, and width I will give 1. Okay, width 1 means only that sales column only. Yeah, I got now 4148. So that is the 4148. See, now I will add another value in 11th row. See, I am adding here 523. See, it's dynamically changed. Now we will see, select, okay, yeah, up to 7. See here, sum is 4082 and average 583.14857. And I will delete now 11th row and we will see how it's changed. Yeah, now it's changed. See, yeah, here uh, up to 7. So I selected, the average 592.571 and sum is 4148. So this is how offset will facilitate us to give dynamically values dynamically. So this offset we will use in dynamic pivot table also to get the same type of results. So this is how we have to use offset function data analysis for dynamic values. That's all.